Home and after action report. Basically, I'm trying to calm down. So it's a case of coming down the hill, it's alright. And I met three people actually. First person going on about, no, the NHS would never hurt anyone. They've admitted to committing genocide against white people. They've actually admitted this. AIDS, hepatitis, primidos, Ramadan. There's dozens of different viruses and hormones that they've used to sterilize and exterminate contagious, fatal viruses they've infected people with for the past 80 years. That's genocide, no matter how you want to look at it. And he just, no, it's just, no. They're only doing it because they're scared of getting sacked. Really? You think it's a valid reason for mass murder? You're worried about getting a sack? For fuck's sake. It kind of went downhill from there. And he was there on about how he goes on his sex tourism holidays to Thailand. That's where he met his wife. You mean you went and paid someone's parents to have their daughter? That's called prostitution. If you're paying for sex, that's prostitution. Yeah, and then come back through the woods. Two lesbians with their dogs attacking me because I'm a bloke. They train these dogs to attack men. As soon as a dog went sniff sniff, it's a bloke. No leashes, no. Oh, they've never done it before. I sort of lifted my walking stick, which has a lovely point on it, and said, if they bite me, I will kill every fucking one of them. All of a sudden, they found leashes. So, and I nearly got run down by a couple of kids, but that wasn't really, that didn't bother me too much, actually. They're only babbies, 10 years old maybe, on mountain bikes. You know they're really young when they're actually wearing safety helmets. But that was on like the foresty little footpath, so that didn't bother me too much. In the first one, I heard something behind me, like, meh, 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 meh. Ignored it. I thought, just hearing things. Then it went past me up on the bank. So it didn't touch me, so I was all right. So I looked behind me, and there's a girl on a bike as well doing the same thing. And it was just, she looked so embarrassed. But yeah, so home, soaked with sweat. It's so humid out there. Um, temperature is probably about 25 Celsius. And after all the rain and the storm, it's nearly 100% humidity. So I need food. Because I'm having to do my shopping online rather than going in person. Rather than doing it every week, I'm extending it by a couple of days each week. So instead of doing it every 7 days, every 8 days, every 9 days, my last shopping, I ordered it on a Friday, so I would have received it yesterday. Less 1 week. So I'll probably order something tomorrow, which is Monday. Fuck it. Yeah, I'm fried completely. I need food. So I'm thinking I've got bacon in the freezer. It'll take probably half an hour or an hour to defrost it, but I'm half tempted to sod it, just chuck it in a frying pan, and then just keep turning it over and defrost it whilst I'm cooking it. Got no bread, out of milk. Um, I don't know. My brain is too fried to think, and I'm manky, I sweat. So yeah, strip off, have a slosh down with a flannel, and then something that's not quite so smelly. And all my kit needs to come out today or tomorrow so it can dry out. Oh dear. Oh well. Last night was fun. Very windy. Lightning, thunder. But even with the grief having to deal with humans and their sexist dogs, it's still worth it forcing myself to get out once a week just so I can get away from Wi-Fi, internet, drugs, and shit. Okay, I've got bagels.